In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your Microsoft Outlook account quickly and efficiently using the 2025 guide. Whether you're using Outlook for work, school, or personal communication, it's always important to know how to safely log out, especially if you're accessing your account on a shared or public computer. So, let's dive right into it. First, head to the official Outlook website by going to https://outlook.office.com. To ensure you have the ability to log out, you need to be logged in first. So if you haven't done that yet, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. Once you're in and can see your inbox, you're ready to proceed with logging out. Now let's focus on the top right corner of the page where you'll find your profile icon. This could either be a picture you've set or your initials if you haven't added a photo. This icon is your gateway to managing your account settings. Go ahead and click on it. Once you do, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting several options related to your account. Here's the next step. In the drop-down menu, you'll find an option that says Sign Out. Click on this. As soon as you click Sign Out, you'll be logged out of your account immediately and you'll be redirected to the sign-in screen. This ensures that your session is securely terminated and no one can access your emails without proper credentials. If you're using a computer that others may access, you might also want to remove any saved login information to prevent automatic sign-ins in the future. To do this, on the sign-in page, you'll see an option for sign-in options. Click on this and then select Remove Account. This ensures that your login credentials aren't stored on the device, providing an extra layer of security. By following these simple steps, you can safely log out of your Microsoft Outlook account whenever you need to. It's a straightforward process, but it's crucial for maintaining your account's security. Remember, if you're on a public or shared computer, always make sure to log out after each session to protect your information. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful